Hi students, welcome to the video. Today's lesson we are going to see applications of linear equation in one variable. It's a grade 8 level. Uh, the first sum. Rima's mother is 4 times as old as Rima. After 5 years, her mother will be 3 times as old as she will be then. Find their present ages. So this kind of age problems which is related to the age given, we can take it as in tables. So I will explain how to take it. We can go with the table. First, let us take the percentage of both the given characters. That is also, we have, see, look at here. The condition given here is the percentage is given after 5 years. They are talking about after 5 years. And then the present year is related here. Now let us take in the present year, percentage, and after 5 years. That means 5 years later, what are the ages be? So let us, what are the two characters? One is Rima, the other one is her mother. Okay. Now what is the first relation is given? Rima's mother is 4 times as old as Rima. They are comparing Rima's mother age with Rima. That is, Rima is X. Let us take Rima's present age is X, any variable. Then our mother's age will be 4 times Rima's age. So 4 times X, 4X. Now, we got the first statement. Rima's mother is 4 times as old as Rima. That means let us take Rima as X. Mother's age will be 4X. Now, after 5 years, they are relating them. So, after 5 years, what are the ages will be actually? Actually, if Rima is X years old now, after 5 years, she will be X plus 5. Suppose if I am 30 years old now, 5 years later I will be 30 plus 5, 35 years. That's it. Okay, so our mother's age will be 4x, means after 5 years, 4x plus 5. Correct? So now we got it, the table as present age and 5 years later. Now let us go to the second statement. After 5 years, what are that age relation is? Our mother will be. So we are talking about what is given after 5 years. For your understanding, I'm writing this. After 5 years, what is the relation? Our mother's age will be equal to 3 times as old as Rima. Correct? So this is, they are comparing with 5 years later. So 5 years later, let us see what is the mother's age is. 4x plus 5, which is equal to 3 times the Rima's age is x plus 5. Let us solve the equation for x. That's it. We are going to solve the equation for x, as we all of us know. 4x plus 5, which is equal to 3 times x plus, so let us go with that, 3 times x and 3 times 5. Correct? So 3 times x is 3x plus 3 times 5 is 15. Let us 4x, let us bring the x on one side. 4x minus 3x, which is equal to 15 minus 5. That means x is equal to 10. We got x is equal to 10. Then what about 4x? 4x is equal to 40. Right. Now tell me, what are the ages of Rima's age and her mother's age? Rima's age is 10 years old. Rima is 10 years old and her mother is 40 years old. 10 years. Her mother's age is 40 years. That's it. Is it how simple it is? Once again, I will just always remember the first statement we are using to frame the table. Then the second statement, after 5 years, what is the relation? It will be used for framing an equation. Always follow that step. It will be more easier. Now, let us move on to the second sum. Suman is twice as old as Mamta. 3 years ago, she was 3 times as old as Mamta. So how old is Suman now? So they are talking about two persons, Suman and Mamta. So let us take the table now, their present age. Let us take it present age and 3 years ago. So that means 3 years before, what are the ages? And one character is Suman, the other character is Mamta. Correct? So now let us take whose will be taken as x, the other one will be according to that. Suman is twice as old as Mamta. Suman's age is compared with Mamta's age. So let us take Mamta's age will be X. Correct? Let Suman is twice as old as Mamta. So then Suman's age will be 2 times X. Correct? Now 3 years ago. What is mean by 3 years ago? If I am is 35 now, 3 years before 35 minus 3. That's it. So 2x minus 3. Similarly, Mamta's age will be x minus 3. Got it? So now 3 years ago we got their ages. Now, what is the relation given now? 3 years ago, what is given? So they are talking about 3 years ago. She was means who is talking? Suman is talking. Okay, we are comparing with Suman. Suman was 3 times as old as Mamta. So Suman was 3 times as old as Mamta. Correct? So now let us write the equation. Suman's age after 3 years is what? 2x minus 3, which is equal to 3 times x minus 3. That's it. Let us solve for x. 2x minus 3, which is equal to 3x minus 3. 3's are 9. Then it is 2x minus 3x, which is equal to minus 9. We have already. And then plus 3. Minus 3 has become plus 3. Then it will be minus x, which is equal to minus 6. Then x is equal to 6. If x is equal to 6, what is 2x will be? 2x equal to 2 times 6, which is 12. So now what are the ages of Suman and Mamta? Suman's ages Suman's age is 12 years, whereas Mamta's age is 6 years. Is it clear? Yeah, let's move on to the third problem. Next one. The ages of Rita and Geeta are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, their ages will be in the ratio of 3:4. Find the present ages. So we are talking about the ages of two persons, Rita and Geeta. Their ages are in 5:7 ratio. So let us think about first one more step. We will do it here. Rita's and Geeta's ages in the ratio of 5:7. That means what? If Rita's age is 5x, 5x means Geeta's age will be 7x. That is the first condition, correct? Rita is to Geeta is 5:7 means Rita's age is 5x means Geeta's age will be 7x. Let us go on to the table now. So the present ages of Rita and Geeta, and the other one is 4 years from now. That means 4 years later. So who are the character? Rita. Rita's age is 5x present age, whereas Geeta is 7x. Now, according to that, if present age is 5x, 4 years later, what it will be? 5x plus 4. Similarly, if Geeta is 7x years, then 4 years later, she will be 7x plus 4. So now, what they are given, 4 years from now, the ages will be in the ratio 3:4. So the ages has become 3:4. When? After 4 years. So after 4 years, let us try to write it in the form of the fractions. 5x plus 4 divided by 7x plus 4. Let us write the ratio is in the form of fractions, which is equal to, let us write, which is the ratio is 3/4. So which is also can be written as 3/4. Got it? So let us write 5x plus 4 divided by 7x plus 4, which is equal to 3/4. Correct. Since even you can write it in a proportion way also we can write. We can write 5x. This is the other way I will show you how to write in a proportion. In proportion what you will write? 5x plus 5x plus 4. First is 7x plus 4, which is in proportionate with 3:4. So then we can multiply this with you can multiply product of extremes is equal to product of the mean. That way also we can do. So I am following this method, 5x plus 4 divided by 7x plus 4, which is equal to 3 by 4. That means we are writing the ratio in the form of fractions. Okay, so now let us do the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication method, all of you know, I think. So 4, the denominator will go to here, the numerator, and then this denominator will go to the numerator. So similarly, let us write it 4 times 5x plus 4, which is equal to 3 times 7x plus 4. So let us simplify. That means we are multiplying that 4 times 5x and 4 times 4. Similarly, 3 times 7x and 3 times 4. So that is 4 times 5x is 20x plus 4 times 4 is 16, which is equal to 3 times 7x, which is 21x plus 12. So now let us simplify further. 20x minus 21x, which is equal to 12 minus 16. Now let us 20 minus 21x is minus x. Minus x is equal to minus 4. So we got minus x is equal to minus 4. That means x is equal to 4. X value is 4. Now we need to find out Rita and Geeta's age. 5x and 7x. That means 5x equal to 5 fours are 20, whereas 7x, which is equal to 7 times 4, which is equal to 28. So that means Rita's age is 20 years and Geeta's age 28 years. That's it. Any doubt? Yes. Please remember that all the sum. The first statement, use it to frame the table. The second statement will be used for framing an equation. So this will be followed in all three sums. Thank you, children.